know what's the best compliment one can get, especially for a woman? That she is looking and doing amazing, even when she is 78. Yes, that's the power and beauty of Cher, the iconic singer and actress who has been a pop culture icon for over 5 decades. She was recognized in a huge way recently. All eyes were glued to the screens as she was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra Maria Gumansing. In this video, we'll see how Cher, the multi-talented and timeless beauty, has managed to stay relevant in the ever-changing entertainment industry. We'll explore her journey from being one half of a duo to becoming a solo superstar, and how she has inspired women across generations using her healthy habits. Stars like Zendaya and Dua Lipa came forward to praise Cher during her inauguration into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Even though Cher had previously sworn not to take this honor, stating she wouldn't accept it even with $1 million on the table, she was utterly vibrant at this glamorous event. This huge honor occurred on October 19, 2024, at the famous Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse venue in Cleveland, Ohio. Cher was definitely the sparkling star of the night. Dua Lipa performed a tribute segment to her as the opener. The pop star sang a portion of the 1988 hit Believe before being joined by Cher herself for the rest of the song, much to the delight of fans. Some fans of social media have been comparing Dua Lipa to Cher, calling her the Cher of our generation. The legendary singer amusingly compared her entry into the Hall of Fame to her past divorces from Sonny Bono and Greg Allman, suggesting that the latter was a lighter challenge. She humorously said, "Divorcing 2 husbands seemed simpler than scoring a spot in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame." The singing sensation Cher expressed her deep appreciation towards the renowned record executive David Geffen, who is 81. Back in the 1970s, they had a brief romantic relationship, and he played an instrumental role in advocating for her induction. She appreciated him for supporting her by writing a letter and forwarding it to the board members. With a giggle, she ended it by saying, "Well, look at where I am right now." Not only that, Cher was in the headlines after she graced the Victoria's Secret fashion show stage. The performance was just as legendary as her fans hoped. This show, held on October 15, 2024, marked the eagerly awaited comeback of the annual runway extravaganza, following its 2019 cancellation due to criticism about its lack of diverse representation. In September, Victoria's Secret revealed that Cher, calling her a famed pop singer and fashion pioneer, would be headlining their show. In a world dominated by women, it's only fitting that a fashion show of this stature includes the mother of fashion, Cher, as Victoria's Secret posted on Instagram. They enthusiastically declared their excitement with the news that she would not just be a part of the fashion phenomenon, but also be performing. As she walked down the pink carpet, Cher downplayed her performance outfit, saying it was no big deal. She jokingly told the show's host, Olivia Culpo, "Don't anticipate too much," while standing next to her boyfriend, Alexander Edwards. However, her all-black outfit definitely stood out, especially among the sea of red-clad models strolling past her as she passionately performed 2 of her timeless classics, Strong Enough, my favorite, and Believe, my second favorite. Adding another unforgettable moment, she switched from the blonde hairstyle she had on the carpet to her trademark glossy black Cher hair for the performance. Cher's career began in the 1960s when she became part of the singing duo Sonny and Cher with her then husband Sonny Bono. Their hit song, I Got You Babe, catapulted them to fame, but Cher's larger-than-life personality and unique style made her stand out. She quickly became a fashion icon with her signature long dark hair, bold makeup, and daring outfits. Over the years, Cher continued to reinvent herself both musically and aesthetically. She explored different genres of music and experimented with her style, always pushing boundaries and challenging societal norms. Her fearlessness and confidence in her skin have inspired many women who struggle with body image issues. There's no doubt that she still looks very good for her age and is aging like a fine wine. But what's the secret behind her youthful appearance and energy? Well, it's a combination of healthy habits that she has adopted into her lifestyle. Sure, hereditary factors have a part to play. After all, her grandmother thrived till 96, but her longevity secret might be found in adopting the lifestyle of people residing in blue zones. Let's explore this in detail. Cher credits her energetic life to changes she made to her diet. Back in 1991, putting a spotlight on foods derived from plants, she said, "I consciously stay away from foods that are high in fat, as they make me feel lethargic and pile on the pounds. Dairy items are not a boon for our health," Cher revealed to People magazine. She believes cheese is one of the harshest things you can eat. It doesn't break down well in the body, and the majority of cheeses are overly rich in fat and cholesterol. Cher said she gradually transitioned from whole milk to skimmed milk in situations when she consumed milk at all. She shared that her primary focus is on consuming food from plant sources like fruits, veggies, pasta, and legumes. Interestingly enough, this food selection closely mirrors the diet patterns of individuals residing in the blue zones. These are regions around the globe renowned for their residents' remarkably long lifespans. There have been various scientific discoveries that shed light on the health benefits of adopting a diet similar to the one Cher loved, and new research constantly supports these findings. For example, a relatively fresh study from Ben Gurion University of the Negev suggests that such a diet helps maintain a youthful brain. The study, which lasted a year and a half, featured 300 individuals and focused on a green Mediterranean diet. This diet is low on processed meats and rich in dietary polyphenols found in plant-based foods such as walnuts, green tea, and the plant duckweed, which are known to protect against harmful oxidative stress. Intriguingly, the study, which largely focused on weight loss, discovered that a mere 1% decrease in body weight corresponded to a 9-month reduction in brain age. This compelling finding was supported by comparing brain scans taken at the beginning and end of the study period. In simpler terms, eat healthily and your brain could age slower. People living in the blue zones not only embrace a plant-based diet, but also value frequent natural physical activity, effective stress coping, and a strong sense of community. These key practices together result in longer, healthier lives. A separate research study was carried out involving over 110,000 people aged between 40 to 75 residing in the UK. The study used the Mediterranean Lifestyle Index to examine the participants' lifestyle choices in different areas, namely what they ate, their eating habits, how much they moved, how they took rest, and their social interactions. After keeping track of these individuals for 9 years, the study found some noteworthy results. Those who lived their lives according to the Mediterranean lifestyle showed stunning health improvements, including a 29% reduction in the risk of dying from any cause and a 28% cut in the chances of dying from cancer. Interestingly, the study underscored that these health benefits are not confined to the Mediterranean area. This suggests that you don't necessarily have to live in a blue zone like the iconic singer Cher to enjoy the rewards of adopting such a lifestyle. In a conversation with People's magazine, Cher shared some noteworthy advice. She said, "The key is to give yourself a fair shot. I steer clear of drugs. I'm not a fan of coffee, and I hardly ever drink alcoholic beverages or consume red meat. So, you see, I'm already leading," she explained. Don't be too harsh on yourself. Making small, gradual changes to your lifestyle can have a significant impact on your long-term health and well-being. So why not take inspiration from Cher's healthy habits and start incorporating some plant-based foods into your diet today? You never know. You might just be adding years to your life and life to your years. So that's it, guys. Share your favorite hit, or anything you think you want to try from her diet. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.